Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car benefits from the upgraded tinted rear windows and black roof. You also get 18-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors, speed limit recognition. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine, gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 6,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.